I hope everyone is fine at home. So myself, Mohammad Akbar, sports officer. My specialization in football. You can say as a football coach. So today I am going to demonstrate you juggling skill in football. Juggling is very important in football. So basically, I will show you basic and advanced how to go for juggling. So before that, we will go for some exercises. And importance of juggling is we will go instep. Instep is very important in football. As you know, we can shoot in the goal post with instep. We can go for juggling. We can trapping with instep. So first of all, we will go for some stretching, lower body stretching. Then we will go for technique. Okay. First of all, let us drag your thigh, hold for some time. Change your foot. Then hold your ankle. As you watch, you can count yourself as a 5 or 7. Change your foot. Okay. Next we will go for lunging position. Straight, sideward lunge. Hold here. Then change your foot. Then change exercise. Go for lunging. Bend your backside leg. And how much you can. Don't force it. Change the foot. Okay. So this is the part of the stretching exercises. So just we'll go for little bit exercises. Go. Running exercises. High knees. Okay. Start. Okay. This is the first exercise. Then we'll go for jumping jacks. Okay. So these two exercises is enough. Main important part today we are going to juggle the ball. So ankle plays very important role. So we'll go for ankle rotation. Inside. Then left leg. Right. So very important thing, equipment. Only take one ball and the rectangle place or circle is enough. Our surroundings. Okay, this is the ball. So basic without ball, we'll go for demonstration. So without ball, try to stand in diagonal position. Diagonal or in parallel position, you should be your body weight on the knees. Your body should be not a stiffness. Take freeness you have to give. Take your arms beside. Okay. So beginners are there. They don't know how to lift the ball. I will tell you how to lift the ball. Okay. Diagonal stand. Keep your sole on the ball. Keep your sole foot on the ball or sole on the ball. Drag the ball. This is the way of dragging. So extend your leg how much you can. Means somebody will be height, depend on height leg. So stand on properly and drag the ball and lift it. This is the way. Okay. Once again I will show you. See, drag the ball and lift. Then continue of tapping. Okay. So without ball also you can go. But main important point in football juggling is your toe should show upward direction. Upward direction. So lower the knee. Lower the knee. So lower the leg also. Make it smoother. So main part of the part touch the ball is toe part. Toe pass in front of it. Don't use lace part because this is the uneven place. Ball can go from right to left. That is the main disadvantage of using lace part. So try to use toe part. Okay. So basic, those who don't know, try to go one or more to two touches. So lift the ball. So where you have to place the ball, not in the middle, not in the left. If you are using left leg, you have to front of the left leg. If you are using right leg, front of the right leg. Okay. Total balance on non-kicking foot means left leg. I am lifting the ball with right leg. So demonstrate. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, main important part, when the ball is lifting, automatically try to tap the ball automatically left hand. And the ball will rotate. See, the ball will rotate backwards. Backward swing. So ball will not go far away from us. That is the main important. That's why when you are lifting the ball, please try to lift and tap the ball backside. So continue juggling for how much you can. When the ball is grounded, then again bring the ball with foot and again continue the exercise. So one more thing I want to say you, try to keep the ball below the knee. That is the main purpose of the juggling. Okay, so once more time, please see. Keep your body down, continue it how much you can. Easily keep the ball control, tap the ball, concentrate on the ball, watch the ball continuously. Okay, this is the way you have to continue juggling. Keep the ball under control. You can move right or left, that's not a problem. Okay, okay, so this is the skill of juggling in football. So if you will continuously, means daily for 5 to 10 minutes, if you will juggle, the controlling of ball will come. Okay, thank you.